I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to see your phone's saved Wi-Fi networks on this watch. So during the setup process, your phone has saved Wi-Fi networks and those Wi-Fi networks get saved on your watch as well. So to access them, just go to settings. The easiest way to go to settings is to swipe down and tap on the settings icon and then go to Wi-Fi and then scroll down and tap on saved networks and you'll see all the saved networks of your phone, the one you used to set up this watch. And you can see all of them here, and if you want to connect to any of them, as long as it's available, you have the SSID and the password of those saved Wi-Fi networks, and you can connect to any at any given time. So for instance, if I want to connect to this one, you can just tap on it, or rather, instead of tapping on it, I just go back to add network, and I can add a network like this one, which is saved. If I want to connect to it, I can just connect to it without necessarily typing in the password. So that's basically how to find, see, and probably even use saved Wi-Fi networks on your OnePlus Watch 2. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.